is Brownie. He's the boy. And Blackie is the girl. And they're hanging out in the guinea pig tractor. And we think Blackie may be expecting babies because when you put a boy and a girl guinea pig together, it's almost automatic that they will have babies. And it takes guinea pigs 2 months to have baby guinea pigs. And they are born with fur and their eyes are open. And here's Brownie. Isn't he pretty? Both of these came from the animal auction. And we paid $3 for each one, which is a nice price for guinea pigs. So they're happy, they're really friendly. I can tell that somebody loved them before we got them because they squeak and squeal and make happy noises and give me the week, week, weeks. So they're happy, and one of them was even popcorning because they're so happy. So we're really happy they're here, and we're building them some nice homes and habitats and inside, outside, and all about so that they can have a wonderful life. Okay, guys. Brownie and Blackie, let me know the name of your guinea pig. We'll see you in the next video. God bless.